guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about our recent mini Flipkart and Amazon haul for you all guys, because in this festival season I have purchased a lot of things from Flipkart and Amazon, so I thought why not a haul video for you all guys. And you all have shown so much love all my haul videos, like the Nykaa haul video, the Everstylist haul video, so I thought let's make a Amazon and Flipkart haul video for you all, like what I recently got. And without further ado, any delay, let's get into the video. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then just do subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, so that you will get a notification whenever I will upload a video on my channel. So yeah guys, I have these 6 boxes from Flipkart and Amazon, so I am going to open them one by one and going to show you what are inside the boxes. Basically guys, I prefer Amazon the most. Like if you will ask me that which app is my favorite, then I will definitely say that Amazon is my all-time favorite for my online shopping. Like there are Amazon, there are Flipkart, there are many other apps, Myntra as well. But above all, I love Amazon the most. Maybe because of the availability, their payment procedure, their each and every details. I just love Amazon. I'm going to start the video by unboxing the Amazon parcels. Okay, so the first thing which I have got from Amazon is this Requel Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel, and this is for also all skin types. One of my friends suggested, not exactly one of my friend, I have always told that Subangi Makeup is my all-time savior for online shopping, or you can say the makeup related things, or seasoned beauty expert guys. So yeah, she suggested me to use Neutrogena Ultra Sheer sunscreen, and I am using that one since last year. So I thought let's go for another sunscreen. So I also asked her that which sunscreen is good. So she suggested me this Requel Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. That's why I bought it recently, and whenever I will finish my Neutrogena Ultra Sheer, then only I am going to use this one. And the tube looks like this. And this sunscreen is just for ₹6.95, and I just hope it will going to suit on my face like the Neutrogena one. Okay, let's move to the second box from Amazon and let's see what is inside the box. Okay, this one is the Color Bar All-Rounder Pencil, or you can say round crayon. And I have ordered this white kajal from Amazon, and this is from Color Bar. And one of my friend told me that you do try white kajal as well. So I thought let's try white kajal, and I am totally confused that which kajal I am going to buy. So I thought let's go for Color Bar, and the white kajal looks like this. Yeah, and here is the white kajal. Let me show you. Okay, I have not tried it, so maybe I am not going to review it in front of you all now. But I just hope that Color Bar will never disappoint me. So yeah, I just hope for the best. This white kajal is just for ₹450, but there is something sale was going on, so that's why I just bought it for only ₹400. Let's see what is also inside the same box, and this is, oh my god, this lipstick has my heart guys. Whenever I am going to upload my lipstick series, you will get a clear-cut idea, because I have done the shooting of lipstick videos, but I have not posted any one of them. But you will get a clear-cut idea that how much I love this one. This range of lipstick from Maybelline. And this is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade 245 Seeker. Just a pure brownish or red kind of shade. Okay, let me show you the swatch guys. Oh my god. And the smell of this liquid lipstick are just amazing guys. More than amazing. Can you see the color guys? OMG. I just love this color. and this liquid lipstick literally stays for 12 hours. The best part about this lipstick is as much as time it will stays on your lips, the glaze will increase and you will feel that the lipstick is like glowing on your lips. And just if you have ever planned for Maybelline lipstick, just try this one. And the liquid lipstick is just for rupees 650, but if you will order it in the sale time, then you will get it for only rupees 450 or 480 rupees. And I don't think कि 650 में इससे अच्छा लिपस्टिक आपको कहीं मिलेगा. So just go for it. Now it's time for the next box which I have from Amazon, and let's see what is inside the box. Oh yeah, this is the Cetaphil moisturizing cream, and this is for hydration for daily use and also long lasting. And let me show you the moisturizer. So yeah, here is the moisturizer for you all. Okay, why I purchased this Cetaphil moisturizing cream is just because one of my friend named as Gayatri suggested me that if you have any pimples issues or if you have any acne issues, then just do apply this moisturizing cream at night. And I thought okay, let's go for this moisturizing cream. Like if she is saying that it is helping, and she is also saying that doctors have suggested this moisturizing cream for acne issues and pimple issues. So I thought I will go for it, and I have not tried it yet. Like I have received the parcel day before, so I thought I will make a haul video. That's why I have not used it yet, and I am going to use it from now. And then only after using this, I am going to review it if you guys want. Okay, let me know in the comment section below that if you want my honest review regarding the Cetaphil moisturizing cream, then I will definitely make a video after using this for 15 to 20 days. And thank you so much Gayatri for recommending this Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Hoping that it will going to suit on my face, and I will never face any kind of acne issues in future. So yeah, and this one is for rupees 350. Yeah, maybe for 350, or I will mention the price of this moisturizing cream because it is not written here. Yeah, I don't know, but as much as I remember that 350 or 370 rupees, something like that. Now it's time for the last purchase from Amazon, and this is this Miniso cute pouch, or you can say clutch. And this one is with a big box. That's why I just threw that, and I am just showing you the Miniso pouch here. Like I literally want a pouch like this because whenever you are going outside, or whenever you are going for 2 to 3 days for any reason, then you definitely need this kind of pouch for your daily needed things like the moisturizer, the kajal, the lipstick, like that. So I literally need this kind of pouch. That's why I just bought it. And this one is from Miniso. As you know, Miniso products are so cute. Literally, they are so cute. And I was just confused about the space, but actually I am just loving this one. Like I never expected that I will receive the same as the picture has shown in the Amazon page. And Miniso never disappointed anyone outside. I guess I have seen people are really craving about Miniso product. I just realized why they are craving. They are just amazing. Like Miniso brand, just wow. It's just wow, guys. So yeah, I just love this pouch, and this one is not at all costly. This one is just for rupees 200, like 199 rupees, and I'm just happy with my purchase. And the quality is just amazing, guys. Like the texture, or you can say the quality is just amazing. So if you want a pouch in affordable range, or you can say a cute little clutch, then just go for Miniso one. I am not suggesting you to purchase this particular one, but if you want, then just do check Amazon about Miniso brand. Then you will definitely get this kind of cute handy pouches there. So yeah guys, I am done with my Amazon haul video. Like whatever the product I have ordered from Amazon, I have shown all of them. Now it's time for the Flipkart. So let's see what is inside the first box which I have received from Flipkart. So yeah, the first one is this Swiss Beauty Baked Blusher and Highlighter. I just love Swiss Beauty Highlighter. Their formula is just wow, guys. Can you see? You must have seen one Swiss Beauty Highlighter palette in my Kumar Purnima makeup video. That one is their highlighter palette, but this one is the blush palette from Swiss Beauty. Just because I love their highlighter palette from Swiss Beauty, that's why I have ordered their blush palette. And let me just show you the OMG. Can you see, guys? And also here. Oh my god, can you see the pigmentation, guys? Just wow. And Swiss Beauty are just too affordable. Okay, the price must be written here. I don't know the price, but 225 or 230 rupees or something like that. And as you know, something Diwali sale was going on, and so I got it for rupees only 200, but the actual price is 225, and I guess it's worth it. For 200, the highlighter and blush is just amazing, guys. Just go for Swiss Beauty highlighter palette or blusher palette if you are someone who loves highlighter and blush. So yeah, now it's time for the second box which I have got from Flipkart. And let's see what is inside the box. The Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha shade which I have recently purchased from Flipkart. Like, this one is my second purchase of this shade. Whenever my lipstick series video will up, you will get enough idea about this lipstick. I am not going to share a single word about this lipstick, but I just want to show you that I got this Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha shade. This one is just a pure nude shade. Like, if you are someone who loves nude kind of shade, and also if you are someone who loves liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild, then just go for this Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha shade and thank me later. But I'm not going to say anything right now. Wait for the video. And this one is for rupees 499 rupees, but I was talking now Flipkart पे बहुत ज़्यादा सेल चल रही थी, so I bought it for rupees 250. That's why I have ordered it. Like I am done with my first one, which I have shown in the lipstick series video, which will up super soon. And this one is my second purchase. I can't get rid of this shade. Like the sale, OMG guys, just amazing. So no, I don't recommend you this lipstick right now. After the lipstick video will up, I will recommend there that. You seen there that how much I praise this lipstick and why I have ordered the second one. So wait for that video. Hey guys, that's all for today's video. I just shared what I have recently got from Flip and Amazon, and as I told in the evening, that is a mini Flipkart and Amazon haul for you all. And also one more thing which is the most important, that if you want anything from Flipkart and Amazon, then just do order while their sale is going on, because whenever the sale will end, the price will be high. So if you want to order anything from Flip and Amazon, then just do order them now, because the sale is live now and the sale will be end super soon. So before that, just grab your product which you want. If you like this video, and if you like the video, then don't forget to share this video as much as you can. Just show your love. Let me know in the comment section below that which product you like the most from my purchase. And also subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and please do me a favor by giving your honest comment that what you guys want to see next in this channel, so that I will definitely make a video on your recommendation. And also one more thing, I found one girl who is recently commenting on my videos that do a choker and chunni videos. Trust me girl, I don't have choker with me. I don't use them. I'm not someone who loves choker in short. And chunni, like I do have 4 or 5 chunnis, but I don't think they are eligible for making a video. So it will maybe take me some time to make chunni or choker videos. So I'm so sorry for that. And so yeah, that's all. See you all in my next video. Till then, just stay safe, stay happy. I love you all guys. Bye. Get down.